Welcome to Sassy Expression, your go-to destination for everything social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our content. Congratulations to Armanii, as he revealed on his most recent interview with Jai Frace that he will be a father soon.
Yeah, and then once a congrats to, cause it's what you know, I never know yet.
Yeah, on the way.
Oh, congrats is it. I want on the way too.
Yeah, no so them thing they find really no them thing they stop a blessing in there.
Real I'm now.
But yeah man, it's a blessing, you know? I'm grateful.
So you feel that would impact certain topics in a music?
No. As bro, me sing about while gone, bro. Like I sing about the more what I call it taboo the most outrageous stuff. Wait, it's not me not sing nothing with fake. At some point in my youth life, me I talk about. Like, me not go hinder nothing. Not go say, yo, me go brawling, just say, yo, start cut some bad word and do this. Not well enough to listen to me, make you listen to me. I go and listen to Coco Melon and the Baby Shark, you know? But me I go sing what going on in the world regardless. So if you sing,
even sing about them boy pitting me a war after Bumbuckler school and come gone in the yard, man. It bun for them, you see, dog. Yo, me see a man take up a bicycle, you know, and throw in our next youth head in, brother. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, me see, but that's a thing too.
Whenever sing about them something, man, I like it. And I look good.
A popular social media influencer, also an artist, Kizzy is under heavy scrutiny by Prettidon for her recent appearance in a music video with Sadikee. Prettidon believes that she could be of more value to herself rather than being in a music video that appears to send a wrong message about relationships.
You know that song, yeah? Me and her best friend. Him take me girl and me put in at the restaurant. That boy the way I do the next girl business all over the fucking internet. Him, I seen drop one video and guess who they have as the girl we a take two friend. Yes man, the one who over TikTok boy, put a whale, put a cow, put a goat, Kizzy. So Kizzy that you gonna do now? You're gonna take two man for going in a blood clot video now? Eh? You which one of them blood clot girl? Them gonna put a whale in your belly. And them gonna put a dragon in your hole. Them gonna put a blood clot lion for run up and dung all in your crotches. You wait.
A release from the Jamaica Constabulary Force pertaining to an employee of nationwide news network, NNN, was brought to the attention of the company on Monday, April 22, 2024. The release, dated April 13, 2024, said 37-year-old Dariel Cummings, otherwise known as Triple X, a radio presenter, was charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. The JCF release disclosed that Mr. Cummings is scheduled to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday, April 23, 2024. After learning of the development on Monday, April 27, 2024, NNN made contact with Mr. Cummings following a conversation with him, and in keeping with the human resource policy of NNN, Mr. Cummings has been relieved of his hosting responsibilities at NNN until the matter has been dealt with in the court. L.A. Lewis is under heavy scrutiny due to several events that lead to DPP Paula Llewellyn being relieved of her position as the country's Director of Public Prosecutions. He is now not allowed to enter any ancestral graveyards in Jamaica.
Them want ban me from all ancestral graveyard and all thing, and them have full evidence now say and me get out Paula Llewellyn from out of the thing by Obia. She never come out there by people of the Constitution Court. She for going on 7 days. Of course, me they say she have 7 days for go. But suppose the Constitution Court know people just say, you know, say true, the Empress says 7 days, won't give her 7 days. People, I'm just saying. So, when she talk about no people, soup, yeah, soup.
No, come soup me.
Alright, soup done. Alright. So people, I'm just saying, more to the left for the comment people because remember you know. What am I saying now is that they want to find for lock down the emperor people. And I don't know the people mixing up with them thing, the people. All I do people, the ancestral, them just call me and say, Emperor, His Excellency, Nayan Kepong, Pikiboo, go say this. And people are think me know. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing to people. I swear people, I don't know people, me gonna know say, when me look back on the video people, can't you imagine time now people? When me look back on the video people, I may say rotted. I mean do them thing there. People. Now, them say them go ban me people. Why me people? Why them not go say them go ban Nayan Kepong? Why them not go say them go ban the ancestors? Remember the ancestors. I shall not no people. You shall not be. Why them not say them go ban the ancestors? Why me? I'm just a vessel people. Same like when the pastor, the pastor in the church, and them start getting that spirit, and them start getting that, them start do one bugger sitting. When them revive people, never know what them do. Some people suppose again the Constitution Court just look and them say, oh gosh, and every time that joke thing I say, boy, you know, say the emperor say the ancestors have got 7 years. And then just get up the next man and say, Paul Alou in 7 days you have to come out of the courthouse, to come out of the thing. Or else. No. Birchell White man or Birchell this, I don't know how many people. Said they will look for take out a law against me. You understand? And say, I'm me responsible for Paul Alou and come out of the courthouse and me over the woman and me turn over her car and one bugger sitting. No people. Oh no. Talk to me now, people. Was I there when Paul Alou car turned over? Or when it crashed or when it allegedly something? I never did it.
World Dawg and Swisslee currently have a tournament on TikTok where Jamaican TikTokers play against each other in a match. Each player gets to keep 100% of the gifts minus the TikTok deductions that is sent to them during the match. It is said to create unity, but others say it is just for monetary gain. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below.
Trying to spin it for we know, and the people might say they prefer pay match Monday. Monday? Yeah. But let's spin the match for we know, brother. Oh, sorry. 6. 6 are able to land up. You see it? Yeah, wait a minute. 6 are able to land up. And then some Monday, okay. Remove. Versus World Dawg and Swisslee. Alright. A joke. Stop fretting, brother. Move and stop fretting. Bumbo clot down. No problem, bumbo one. And them are 12. Bumbo clot is a blood clot match at Abel and Lando versus Ryan and the man who have 16 wives. Ryan and Trinity. Ryan and Trinity. The man who have 16 wives. Ryan and Jabbas versus Abel and Lando. Monday. Okay. Write it down, father. Tommy, ED up on the live, man. Alright. Say so spin again. Yeah, I want team a player too. How much team left? Hold on, Swisslee, wait. How much team left? How much team left? Bro! 2 gone left 6. How much team left? 2 gone left 6. 2 gone left 6. You know too much a player there?
Just like what we are do. Alright. Okay. Alright, so 2. Clad. Oh God. Them so do one for round 1. You don't want to do one? You want the one match round 1? Like I look a bit at team left.
Round 1, gang.
Cause if you do 2, it go done fast, you know. So it's up to you. If you do 2 match, it go done fast.
Jump.
Need I say 1? We make it more. Because you do 2 first, then you do 1. Because if them do 2 now, it go done fast. It go like done. If we do 2, the competition done like next week.
Swisslee better with the 2, yeah, man.
You want the 2? You want the 2? Talk no, bro. Let me tell you who get them right. So then, if you are the 1, me tell you.
Hold on.
Bro, if you see if you do 2 match I play, I did we have 8 team.
So that's why I break it down to what I break it down. Hello. Yo.
A night.
Alright. Yo, Swisslee.
Eh?
The people them must say you have to check your number them correct because of K and 6 TV. You have to check your number them correct. When I say Trinity them, I should have K6 TV, K and 6 TV I play against Able check your book good. I have comment over here all along. Check your book good.
Which number gone a while ago?
Alright, hold on, let me see
right?
your number. Hold on there. Hold on, let me put your number. Wait, me still your number.
Guys, which number me say gone? No, that's the last number. Me say 12. What is the second number after 12? Guys, what? No, not 2. The number. So I never want to get out, you know.
KR6 is supposed, they say, KR6, they say it's 12, they say. And you say Ryan and Trinity.
K and 6, bro.
Yo, just write down 2 in a book and take off that no Swisslee.
No, people ain't right, bro.
Alright, you see the people that are saying right.
Sorry, guys, the people ain't right. At 12 and 6 come up. The person who call it, tell them thanks. Look.
Yeah.
The person who call it, tell them thanks.
So Able and 6 them a play.
Able and 6. The person who call it, tell them thanks. Look.
Yeah.
The first number will come at 12. There is it. And the second number will come at 6. Able and Lando, look, 6. Say right, thank you, bro. Tell her thanks, bro. Tell her thanks.
Yeah.
Alright, so what you gonna do? One of the
You
or 2?
can't go live, man.
One of the or 2?
Eh?
Jesus Christ. Guys.
No.
Yo, I can't buy them people in there, bro.
We don't know.
Guys, turn on the comments. Come and show them before them say me a thief. Turn on the comments, chat, please. Look. Sure, no. That's why you have computer and it say remove. The person who called hero was right. You realize 6 and 12 move. Do you see every day there? 6 and 12 move. Once the number pick, I remove it out of the slot. So the person who called hero, thank you so much again, miss. It right. 6 and 12 remove. Leave back level 7, 4, 15, 3 and 2. So hero, the question is, what you going to do? 2 a day or 1 a day? So I able to play against 6. So tell me if you are the 2 or a 1 a day. Thank you, Mr.
We're going to try competition now our next much weeks, bro.
So you want the 2 then?
It's already 2 a day, bro, and get and 2 match a day, bro. And then the next match a 2 match a day, bro. And then we just make him next match a final, bro.
Alright, 2, what is cause? Alright, so look now. 2, please focus. Focus. Thanks. Tell her focus. So 2 are rebel. Look. 2 are rebel. Win rebel. 2. That'll be the next match. Remove.
Gauge and triple that, you know.
No. Versus Tommy Trouble and Toffee.
Bumbo clot.
Please, make sure now see with me. Please.
What a match there!
Please make sure now see. Cause the woman, the lady will call her, bro. Make me have focus. The lady will call her, make me have focus.
A 2 big match I play the youth.
2 on level. Please look.
Yo, a 2 big match I play the.
Bro, show it in the book. 2
big match I play.
Versus Tommy Trouble and Toffee.
Load match I play.
Alright, remove. After the match, we do the next spin for these 4 team left back. We done, bro. So, guys, we're gonna give the people them time to their win.
So Monday is the match.
So Monday is the match. We gotta give them time. So we give them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We give them 5 days. We give
So
the people
Monday is
time.
the match.
So Monday is the match. Monday the same time.
So Rebel and Tough them, I play 8 o'clock. Lando and K and 6, I play 8:30.
Okay.
Monday, the 29th of April.
Guys, listen guys. Una the same people cause and say we want to scam people and we are begging. The people who are not shooting, we know why we do. We have to give the people a break so the people can recharge and the people can come and do what they have to do. Who will not tell me what to do? We are on this. Okay. Who will not tell me what to do? Who are not shooting. Back to what you say, bro. Who you say I play first?
Toffee, Rebel, Tommy Trouble, and Wayne. 8 o'clock.
Okay. Wayne, Rebel versus Tommy Trouble and versus Toffee. 8 o'clock Monday, 9 o'clock foreign time. K and 6 versus Abel and Lando. 8:30.
Rock pocket people. Come on from my live and give me no chat in my live, please. Only not give me no chat over here, sir.
Okay, guys, so I ate that.
Give me no chat. Swisslee runners the son come over here, sir. Take no nasty blood clot out of my comment. And I come over here and tell me nothing shit pit. Okay. Go on again, bro. No look up, no comment, me fake of them. Black them. Turn on back and comment, bro. Black them.
Guys, the whole of that round you got hot. The whole of the second round you got be hot.
Them. Black every single
guys, once Hero say one time, it cannot be changed. Just like what day when Hero tell him to say, our match I go play first. No match cannot be changed. Just like when they tell me say when Hero say 5 we are gonna play first, when they say no, that's unfair. Once him say a time, it done. It done. Once him say the time, it done. You can't change it back, it done. And guys, no matter who draw first or who draw second, we not go off a job. Him say the time, I will go at the time. We cannot change. Just like when him say we are gonna play first and him change and say we are gonna last, it no matter who draw first, guys. That's not a rule. It no matter. Once him set the time with me, draw it, him set the time. Him set it, that's the time. Second round, me know it I got hard. Can be a big team go around second round. just join, you're gonna live long. First is Tommy Trouble and Tuffy.
Since you all on a pack over 7,100 people, you can subscribe or send me some art or buy some art me. Swisslee, come here, play a game. Yeah. Come on, my side. Come on, it's 6,000 people tap the scream. 6,000 people tap the scream. Come on, 7,000 people tap the scream. Let's go. Come on.
Guys, take him nuggets.
Come on.
Take him nuggets, please.
7,000 people tap.
Guys, take him nuggets.
Come on. How much nuggets me have?
13.
I lie you tell. How much nuggets you have?
None.
Oh, come on, 7,000 tap.
Not the screen tip, guys, no going.
Everybody
Guys,
buy. Everybody get the buy subscription. On the buy subscription. Yes, on the buy subscription. Buy subscription. Everybody buy.
Guys,
Yeah,
tap the screen,
buy your
tip.
subscription, they make. Tap up the screen,
guys.
buy
Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen.
Everybody buy a subscription. We are trying to reach up some number.
Yeah, guys, man, go over kick.
Everybody, come on. Yes, on the top of the screen.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing for them run. You know, that's what I'm doing.
6,700. Jesus Christ, the number drop. Before the drop, touch the screen, the man.
Guys, let's go.
Be a subscriber.